The WhatsApp Business Mastery course is finally here and the wait is over. With WhatsApp Business, you will achieve 98% open rate compared to the old version that will only give you 20% open rate. You are losing out if you are not using WhatsApp for Business. This training covers step by step in real demo of almost 70 short videos that you can put to work instantly. You'll be able to get massive conversion with the use of catalog, easy payment, both local and internationally, and this is all on your phone. You don't need to open shop, no payment of rent. You only need internet to run your WhatsApp for Business, and it is free. You can see you'll be able to achieve between 45 to 60% conversion rate when you use WhatsApp for Business the right way. And that is what you are going to get in this course. Using your phone 24/7, you will learn to drive your business and your brand. You'll be able to promote your products and services for free using WhatsApp for Business. In this course, you are going to learn almost everything you need to know about WhatsApp for Business with almost 70 short videos in real demos using your phone. You get to know how to set up your business profile professionally. You'll be able to create and share your catalog in a real way to make sales. You'll be able to know how to use your channels and status for free marketing. You'll be able to know how to send and receive money using your WhatsApp both locally and internationally. And you'll be able to automate your messages and manage your customer in an effective way that will help you drive your sales and build your brand. And lastly, you learn how to run WhatsApp ads, and you can even start making money helping people to run their advertisement. All these are covered in this training, and the good thing about this course is this: you'll be able to promote and make money with this course. Either you are an individual or a content creator. For instance, if you are a content creator, that is, you are a YouTuber, and you have the following subscribers in this range, you will get the following automatic rates in commission. That is, if you like to promote this course. All you need to do is to get across to me via this email address. I will set you up at the back end of this course and you can start making sales. And if you are an individual or a YouTuber, content creator with lower subscriptions, you have opportunity to promote this course and you are going to get 20% commission. Not only that, look at it, you can unlock higher tiers. When you make up to 2,000 sales, you are going to get 30% commission rate at that stage. And when you do 10,000 sales, you are going to get your commission rate incremental to 40% at that stage. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and you'll be able to have access to your link and you can start doing your promotion. Ensure you take advantage of the limited time launch bonuses and the following sign up bonuses. You will see the link below the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.